Maybe I was like trying to be the next Eddie Murphy or something. I have no idea. But then there will be times where mama didn't want to hear a joke. So like maybe mama was having a bad day, or mama was dealing with a serious issue, or she just got finished visiting somebody in the hospital, and she would just say, "Not now, Coco," right? And I almost feel like when it comes to stocks like Circle and Figma, um, those were interesting investments a couple of weeks ago when the market had more of an appetite for speculation and exuberance. Now we're kind of in that not now Coco kind of stage where the economy's gotten a little bit more serious. Things have kind of tightened up. Everybody's sober now. Before everyone was drunk, so it's like, yeah, here's $500, sure. Now it's like, nah, we got to think about, well, we got to look at the accounting and make sure that we can afford everything that we're, you know what I mean? Like it's kind of crunch time, right? So I almost feel like with Circle and Figma, the big question that you have with Circle in particular is nobody truly knows what the value of that company actually is. And I do own Circle, by the way. I sold long-term deep out of the money call options on Circle that have a strike price that's insanely high now because the stock was doing really well. And when things go up, I tend to just turn myself into a seller. So I was able to make a few $1,000s selling long-term deep out of the money options on these stocks because I was afraid of exactly what we're seeing right now, right? So I would say if you invest if one was to invest in Circle, I would probably challenge you to find a thesis, find a reason that you believe this company is going to be around for a long time, that you're okay with the risk, and also that you're patient, that you're okay with the fact that this stock, when they finally discover, they call it price discovery, when you're discovering what the true stock price is, maybe they're going to discover that Figma, they used to think it was a, $200 stock or, but now it's truly a $40 stock. Okay. Let me see if I can find Circle on here and just see what Circle stock is doing in general. Actually, let me put it in the stock analyzer. By the way, you guys can access, just log in at theblackbusinessschool.com or sorry, or drboycestockmarket.com, and you can do this as well. So I'm gonna pull up on the stock analyzer what it says about Circle. So while it's twirling for a second, so while it's twirling up, here we go. Okay. Yeah, that's what I kind of thought. All right, so let me show you what it says about Circle. All right, Sharon, here we go. So Circle, here's a full analysis of Circle stock. This 20 of financial health pretty much says a lot. That tells you a lot about its investment. If it's not for the faint of heart. And down here they list the key risks. So you see the word sell in big red letters.